If the reserve requirement is 20% and the currency ratio is 30%, what will the money multiplier be? So I went ahead, and this is just written below everything that I did in the last video to get us to this formula right here. And so we're just going to use this formula as kind of a reference point and go from there. So we know that the reserve requirement is 20%, 0.22. So in our formula over here, we're going to have M is equal to, and I'm just going to draw the division line, and I'm going to put reserve requirement is 0.2. And the currency ratio is 30%, so I'll have 0.3 plus 1, and then 0.3 plus 0.2. And then all of that is going to be equal to, or M is going to be equal to all of that times B. So we just want to know what the money multiplier is. And when they ask for the money multiplier, all they're really asking for is for what is this in here. Because that is what you multiply by your high-powered money, by your currency, to get the total money supply. So we just need to do a little bit of addition and division. So we have 0.3 plus 1 is 1.3. And then we have over 0.3 plus 0.2 is 0.5. So 1.3 divided by 0.5 is the same thing as 1.3 times 2, so that's equal to 2.6. So that's our answer. The money multiplier would be 2.6. So that means that for every extra dollar that the Federal Reserve prints and hands out to the public in some way, that the money supply will increase by $2.60. Okay, so if the money supply is $26,000, and obviously it's going to be a lot more than that, but I just wanted to keep the math simple, how much high-powered money is there? So we know that the money multiplier is 2.6, and we know that the money supply is 26,000. So we have 26,000 is equal to 2.6 times B. Wow, that's a horrible B. 2.6 times B. Okay, and so I kind of picked this 26,000 ahead of time because I knew that we'd be dividing by 2.6. So divide both sides by 2.6, and you get that high-powered money is $1,000. Sorry, $10,000. And that's all that I'm going to do in this video. If you want another couple examples like this, let me know, but you need to just be able to work with this formula backwards and forwards.